Welcome to my channel, and here I will be sharing a very important information with you. If you're watching my video for the first time, please subscribe to this channel and help me to share my videos with your friends who are technical drawing or engineering drawing students. This information is very important when it comes to the surface development of pyramid. Um, and here we are looking at that of the square pyramid. And as you can see here, this is the top view or the plan of a square pyramid, and this is a front elevation of the square pyramid. But if you look at the way this pyramid is positioned, as you can see, the top view here or the plan here is different from how this one is positioned. This is the top view for this same square pyramid, and this is the front elevation. If you look at the front elevation here, it's different from the front elevation here. And if you look at this plan, it's also different from this plan, though they are of the same length, and they are used 40 millimeters as the length for this, and also 40 millimeters as length of side of this square pyramid. Okay. So now what I want to bring out here, I want you to know is how to find the true length when the pyramid is positioned in this form. But let's talk about this first. For this one, based on how this pyramid is positioned, as we can see the top view here, so this length O prime 1 is the true length. As I've written it here, this is true length. So if you have to develop this pyramid now, so you don't have to find the true length. So all you need to do is to take distance O prime 1, and then you make the arc, you made the arc for the surface development of this square pyramid. But in this case, with the way this pyramid is positioned, and we can see the plan in this form, we need to find the true length, which will also be equal to this true length by doing what I'm going to tell you now. So to find the true length of the pyramid, so that we can develop the surface of this pyramid, so this is how you have to go about it. Now we take our compass and we put the pinpoint of our compass at this point O here, which is the midpoint of the square. So we put it here, and then we extend to this point 2 here on the square. What we are trying to do is that we want to bring this corner, we want to bring it to this horizontal line. As we have this corner here being placed on this horizontal line, it's because of this corner being on this horizontal line, that is what makes this line to be the true length of the pyramid. So as I said, for us to get the true length of this pyramid, so we need to put the midpoint of our compass here at point O and extend the pencil point to point 2. Then we draw an arc. So what we are doing is that we are rotating this point, we are bringing it onto this horizontal line. So we turn it like this. So wherever it touches on this horizontal line, so we take note of this. So let's call this point, let's call it 2 prime. So this is point 2 prime. So then we are going to take our set square, then we draw a vertical line from this point. We draw a vertical line from this point to meet this horizontal line at the base of this pyramid. Then we are going to connect this point. So let me call this point, let me call it point 2 prime prime. So this is 2 prime prime. So we are connecting this O prime and this 2 prime prime. We are connecting them together to obtain the true length of this pyramid. So this is it. So we connect this together. We draw a line from here to here like this. Okay. So this line now that we have drawn, this line is the true length of the pyramid. Okay, is the true length of the pyramid. So if we are to develop the surface of this square pyramid, so we need to take this O prime, 2 prime prime, to make an arc that we can use to obtain the surface development of this pyramid. But as I said, for this one, we don't have to do what we have done here. So what we just did here, we just made this square to be in this form, to bring this point onto this point here. As we have this point laid on this horizontal line. So this is how to find the true length of a square pyramid if you come across it. Very, very important that you learn this, that you pay attention to this, and you make use of it. So if you don't make use of it, it's going to affect your work in technical drawing. So thank you, and God bless you.